Hey, what's going on, man? It's Marcus D. Porter Studios, man. Hey, we're out here in Memphis, Tennessee, downtown, off of Cooper Young, right in front of Bluff Coffee Shop. I'm about to meet a model here today, man. We about to get some like blogging style shoots, some fashion shots. So it's gonna be real dope today. So make sure y'all stay tuned. I'm gonna show y'all some behind the scenes. So let's get it popping. I got my I'm gonna have my 85 on today, 85 1.8. I'm gonna have my 5D Mark IV, and I'm gonna be probably shooting wide open at 1.8, and I'm gonna kind of show you guys how we shoot in natural light. So I'm excited about it today. So stay tuned, man. It's about to go down.
I really need your
sing it. Oh, I can't get enough rhythm of your love. Sing it back on your echoes. 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 Sing it back on your echoos. 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 Sing Like a fire burning through your veins, make me your lighter. White and blue flame, electrify it.
Hi guys, I'm Andrea, and I just want to say how exciting I am to be working with Marcus on today. He was so hands-on with my poses and really helped me feel so comfortable behind the camera. And yeah, thanks Marcus.
Yeah, man, appreciate you for coming out, man. You know, we had a good time.
We had a great time. I just want to say thank you again, and I'm Andrea Everett, owner of Denim by LLA, an 80s and 90s vintage apparel brand where I specialize in hand distressed denim and vintage apparel. So check me out on Instagram.
Oh my gosh. We'll wait for the plane to go by.
Wow.
We'll wait, hold on for a second. We'll wait, keep recording one. We'll wait for it to go by.
So I'm Andrea. I'm Andrea. Denim by LLA, owner and stylist of 80s and 90s vintage apparel brand, where I make hand distressed denim and sell vintage apparel. Follow me on Instagram at LongLiveAndrea and my business page Denim by LLA on all social media platforms. And thanks again, Marcus.
Man, I appreciate you for coming out, man. We had an awesome time shooting natural light. We didn't use no flashes this time. We used the 70 to 200 millimeter lens with the 5D Mark IV. We just, like we said before, we scouted the area, just had her shoot, had her do some natural poses. We weren't too strict today, and we can't wait. I hope you enjoyed the pictures that you saw in the video. Until the next time, we'll holler at you and we'll see you later. Appreciate you guys, man. Make sure you subscribe down below.